Hi, I'm Braden,
And I'm Andrew.
and we're here from Team Voiceflow for the hackathon. And so we built the My Guardian project, and what My Guardian is supposed to do is essentially be sort of an elderly care assistant that works on multiple different channels. So SMS, IVR, so sort of using a via CPaaS, as well as Alexa and Google Assistant. And so how we hook this all up is we're using Voiceflow to actually build out the interface. And so that's what you can see on my screen here. We have a whole bunch of conversational logic. And then essentially what it's doing is when the user comes on, it's going to onboard them. From there, we have three basic functions right now. So we have the ability to set up pill reminders, the ability to get help, and the ability to set birthday reminders, just some pretty basic functionality. And so this all feeds into a series of Google Sheets that you can see here. So we have this looks like birthdays, but essentially we're using this Google Sheets almost like a database just for this small little project, and that's what allows us to have persistence across all the different assistants, as well as SMS and IVR, because we're always feeding all the information into the Google Sheet, and then from there, all the other assistants are picking from the Google Sheet to have the persistent information, even though it's on different assistants. So we'll test it on Alexa here, actually on device. We've already uploaded it. So let's do that. Okay. Alexa, open My Guardian.
Welcome back to My Guardian, Braden. How can I help you?
Help me remember birthdays.
What birthdays would you like to remember?
My grandson Michael's birthday on July 6th.
I'll remind you about your grandson Nicholas's birthday on July 6, 2020. Any other birthdays to remember?
Yes.
Great. Whose birthday should I remember?
My daughter Sarah's birthday on January 20th.
I'll remind you about your daughter Cyrus's birthday on January 20th, 2021. Any other birthdays to remember?
No.
Would you like any more help?
Yes.
What else can I help you with?
I need help.
What has happened?
I've fallen and I cannot get up.
Oh, let's try that one again. Alexa, open My Guardian.
Welcome back to My Guardian, Braden. How can I help you?
I need help.
What has happened?
I've fallen in the bathroom.
Your guardian has been alerted. We will take care of you very soon. Your loved one has also been
Great.
sent a text
So,
message. Would you
As
like
you
any
can
more
see
help?
here, I'm getting
No.
a phone call and a text message, so I'm going to answer the phone call as the guardian. Put it on speaker.
Braden needs your help. They've fallen in the bathroom. Please make sure Braden is okay.
Great. So I got a phone call and a text message to my phone number, and I'm alerted about my guardian or my loved one who needs help.
Yeah, and so that's all being persisted in using Google Sheets, and we also have this running on Alexa, or sorry, on Google. So if I say like, "Hey Google, open My Guardian app,"
Let's get the test version of My Guardian app. Whose birthday would you like to know?
Michael.
Zero's birthday is on undefined. Would you like any more help?
Oh, well, didn't work for that one, but so that's how we have the two apps running right now. We do have that persistent sort of Google Sheet in the back, and I would go over pill reminders, but it's pretty similar to birthday reminders. So if I went in here, you can see this looks like a bit of a mess, but essentially,
What birthdays would you like to remember?
hey Google, stop. And so here you can see that essentially we're asking them, what time do you want to remember your pills? We're actually setting calendar reminders, and then we'll also send them a text message if they forget to take their pills. And then the last piece of functionality we have, which is it's on a timer, so we can't really show it, is in here we have an SMS reminder where if the user does not use the app for 2 days, we'll send a text message to their caregiver just to tell them to check in. And so that is the My Guardian app. If we had a couple more hours, it would have been fully polished, but we did our best in the hackathon time we had. Thanks so much. And this was for the healthcare category. Thanks so much. We're Team Voiceflow, and signing off.
Thanks a lot.